Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, we are going to set up currency switcher for WooCommerce plugin by wpexperts.io. So here you can see there are multiple features in that. You can customize the design, you can add the flags, and you can improve the clarity for different regions. And then we have the multiple currencies option. We can add different currencies option in our website so that the user will see the price according to their location. Then it helps to reduce the cart abundant due to currency confusions, and you can change the currency by billing or shipping country on the checkout. And one thing that I really like about this plugin is that you can set up different pricing for the different markets based on different locations, and it can really increase the conversion rate. And then we have the localized experience for the users. So I have downloaded the plugin. So let's go to the website and install it. Here is my website, and let me go to the dashboard. I can zoom in a bit so you can see things clearly. And here let's go to the plugins, click on add new, click on upload plugin and choose the file. Here I have uploaded the file. Let's click on install now, click on activate plugin, and then we have to enter the license key. So let me just enter mine and click on activate. So I have activated the license, and now here you can see different options over here. So here the first thing you see is the add currency option. So let's add some different currencies. So let me add some. So here we have added the Australian dollar, and then we can add some more popular currencies. So here I have added all of the currencies that I want in my website, and then we can choose the flag if we want. So here we have selected all of the flags, and now we will have to set up the rates that we can do using the API. So scroll down and click on API over here, and here you can select any API. So here is the WP Expert Exchange Rate Free API. You can use this one, and here you can see you can update the rates. You can select it how often you want it. So let's select daily, and here you can add your email address if you want to receive notifications when new rate is added. And I don't want to change this. And default currency flag, so here we will have to select the default currency flag. So in my case it is UK. And if you want to show the flag, then just check mark this. So I will check mark this to make sure the flag is selected. If you want user to pay in their selected currency, then you can check mark this. Otherwise just keep it unchecked so you receive in your own currency. And then check mark this option if you want the user to see the price based on his location. Here you can select the API. If you have the API, then you can use the API, otherwise just select the default. And here you have some short codes that you can use to show the currency switcher at any location. And then we have the sticky switcher, so we can see these things later on. Here you also have the option to hide the payment gateway based on the currency. So if you want to hide any payment gateway, like if you have any payment gateways that are for the specific locations, then you can hide them from the other locations. And here you can select this option if you want to show the sticky switches. So let's select that and click on right or left wherever you want to show. So just click on save changes now, and now let's visit the website. So here you can see that's how it is showing by default, but currently it is not showing the updated rates. So we will need to go to the switcher again. Here are the settings for that, and we will click on update all, and here you can see the rates are updated. And now let's click on save changes again. So just come back, refresh. So here you can see now correct rates are showing. So that's how you can add it, and just go to inspect to see how it is looking on the mobile version. But if you want, you can add the shortcode to your header or maybe in the footer. So that's it for the video. If you want to use this plugin, here are the pricings you can check out, and you can purchase it if you want. I have also created some other videos that are based on free currency switcher plugins. So if you want to check out that, you can check out them as well, but they have some limited options. This one is more advanced. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.